know, it's like drinking your own pee.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm such a cool endeavor, if I can live forever.
Yo, what's up? Today we got JV's work with artists like Nothing Nowhere and
Guccihighwaters, Phem, Lil West, Bones, and probably more that I will forget. You can find my discography on Spotify.
yeah, so we're gonna make a song from scratch today for my record. You also have a record too, so we don't know if it's gonna be a collab song or you're just producing for me or whatever. But
We'll just cook up.
We will just cook up. It's gonna be emo, and it's gonna be from the perspective of kind of like medieval and over-the-top feeling, heavy 808s, lots of trap, lots of emo guitars. And the one line that I have is like, I want to die a wizard, so the song needs to feel magical.
It needs to have a lot of sorcery,
A lot of
wizardry,
sorcery. Yep.
witchcraft,
Yep.
and things like that.
Hell yeah, dude. Well, let's get it.
Let's go.
All right, so what are we doing? We're making something magical and medieval. We had one lyric, like, I want to die a wizard. And we were talking about like things like being a little more aggro than usual, but still ominous.
Yeah.
And like when the 808s like really grind and like push. So it's not like punk heavy. It's more just like explosive modern heavy. So I think let's get it, dude.
Sick.
Do you want to start with guitars?
Yeah, I would love to. Just maybe get some sort of idea going.
Yeah. Dude, one thing I've learned about JV so far is that he is on cutie pie mode all the time. Look at this guy.
This is my chord that I just
You
my
invented it?
favorite. I'd like to say I invented
Gonna
it,
move our
but
water.
you know, it's just a chord.
Dude, we need to find like a hardcore band that's down to really, really lean into like cyber Y2K 808 style stuff.
Yeah.
You know?
I think hardcore, yeah, I guess it's just like such a tricky genre to like have new ideas in.
Yeah, because you get shunned pretty quick. The studio that I came up in, Landmine Studios, did all this stuff for Hate 5-6, like all the hardcore bands. It's funny because like the band would come in, like I work with but they came in and I was like being myself, being goofy, and they were like not f***ing with it until the head producer like made a dick joke or something, and then they were like, ha, yeah, huh, and then they opened up.
Yeah.
But
I
yeah, you
forgot
know what I
about
mean? It's
all
just like
that,
so
yeah.
cool guy all the time. When you write too, do you usually make it so that like chorus progression and verse progression are different, or you kind of just get a loop and you go?
I usually always start with just the hook. I feel like if the hook is banging, then we're excited.
Yeah, true.
And then the verse can maybe write itself sometimes.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Man, FL's crazy.
I just like that FL to me looks like a video game.
This is like original Xbox futuristic
Yeah.
vibe right now, which is
Yeah.
perfect.
It just feels like that to me.
Yeah. How 10 seconds ago was there nothing and now there's everything? You know? What the hell?
I used to with some homies. I remember just one night it was like 2, 3 a.m.
Yeah.
We were just all hanging out. I was with 93 Feet of Smoke and some
Yeah.
other dudes, and we started putting on like my TV just countdowns from YouTube. Like we would start with like 10-minute and be like, all right, we have to make a full song in this countdown. Let's
Yeah.
go. And we would just make some dumb shit.
That's sick.
And then we'd go again, but now 5 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes, 1 minute.
How fast, if you were left in your room and an artist came in who could just like step up on the mic and, you know, do verse, chorus,
Just
verse,
do
chorus.
something?
Yeah, how fast do you think you could get a song to completion and then hit upload?
Maybe like an hour,
Yeah, that sounds right.
right?
I think you're being humble about it, dude. I think you could get it done.
Yeah.
You could get it done in like 6 minutes. And like pop punk tracks, dude, I could fart out a pop punk track in probably 20 minutes.
Sick.
Double track guitars.
Yeah.
Verse, chorus, bridge.
Yeah, okay.
You know? So I think that if you just did that from nothing to that in literally 12 seconds, for sure.
Yeah,
What is 12
probably.
seconds times 4 parts of a song? 1
Yeah.
minute?
Yeah.
You know? I think you could.
Yeah.
But I
I'm
get it.
just like auditioning some random loops, honestly, but they all ended up sounding good.
Can you just throw something on that guitar to like computerize it a little bit?
Oh, yeah. You could do a few different things.
Whatever your go-to thing that you're thinking in the moment.
Lately, I've been making a lot of like low fidelity stuff.
Okay.
I wouldn't say lo-fi because that like generalizes too much. I just like when things sound kind of f***ed up. But I did figure out there's a way that it kind of randomly can automate the bit crushing here.
Yeah, that's
Like,
cool.
Over here on the kilohertz one, basically this setting of like where it's bit crushing it, you could just randomize it on here.
Yeah, with that flux
With this.
guy. Yeah.
Which is kind of sick because it just introduces like parts where it's there only. And there's moments where it just stops.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Do you process your 808s like after the fact too, or you just keep them as the sounds they are?
Sometimes, but most of the time, the thing I was going to tell you when I said like it's going to be a little unimpressive is because I feel like usually you want to leave the 808, like not do much to it. And the most important thing is like the rest of the sounds.
Okay.
Like you kind of build around the 808.
Are you the type to like match kicks and stuff, or just kind of do the main guys? Because like for me, when I do it, I think of it as a bass guitar, and I match the kicks.
Oh, just the same exact pattern?
Yeah, for the most part, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes, usually with a sub, I kind of like when it's a little before, because I'm gonna put a side chain on this probably.
See, this is exactly what I'm talking about, like the nuance of even just that. The sub before the kick, to me, seems like counterintuitive just from rock world. But seeing you do it, I'm like, oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. I see, yeah.
That's like a little heavy, but we could make it come a little.
Feels good to me.
Because I like when it's before, it kind of gives it a little bounce. And then something else we could try is just getting a little bit of real drums in there.
Okay, yeah.
Just because we have a heavier sounding guitar. I also just love to layer like as many different types of hi-hats as possible.
Yeah.
And then just mess with like the level of all of them. It's just a much better way of making a straight one sound hi-hat all the way through.
Right.
Maybe that's like another thing. That could be.
Oh yeah. Adds a lot.
And this is a live drum template that I have anyways. So I was fully prepared to like just like if we want to have a part that really gets huge or something, we could always do that.
Sure.
Oh, hell yeah.
Why don't I just track it on my phone and I'll airdrop it to you?
Yes.
Make it kind of like
the best way for acoustic. Let's just like put a ton of effects on it and I'm gonna just bounce it with the effects.
Got you. Waves Audio, affiliate link in the description.
I love this analog 3 thing.
I haven't used that yet.
It just makes it like really distorted kind of tape emulation.
Yeah.
And then, have you ever used this guy?
No, what is that?
It's kind of like an LFO tool where you can do volume, panning, or different filters, and you can just kind of draw.
Oh, it's like
shapes.
Kickstart kind of.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Nice.
Yeah, there's a little bounce there. But maybe that's even cool just on like a second half type thing.
Yeah. Should we like figure out the hook, or is there anything else you wanted to add here?
Yeah, I guess we should just figure out the hook.
Hiding from the daylight, hear me from the outside. All I do is panic. You know what I mean?
Yup.
Because the idea is like giving up on bullshit in life and only focusing on the magic and like the things that are important to you, which is mean like kind of the dark side of it, like never go outside. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have to get to that I Wanna Die Wizard, right? So
I'm hearing like, the line that came to me quickly was like brewing something manic. Where's panic, brewing something manic? Like I'm cooking up.
yeah, right. So like, hiding from the daylight, hear me from the outside. Pull out all my feathers. If I can't live forever, I wanna die a wizard.
Oh, that's sick.
You know what I mean?
I like that.
There might be
'Cause
something.
the I Wanna Die Wizard could be on the 1, and it's kind of like a post. If it's a more instrumental part, because then we could just do cool shit, and it's like, we're cooking.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
We're doing our wizardry.
Yeah, and like I have no, like when I produce someone else, I can pretty easily like be like, oh, sing it like this, but I have no gauge in myself. So if you hear anything that's stupid, just tell me. Or if you hear anything that I should do, just let me know, because I can't You know, it's like drinking your own pee.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hiding from the daylight, hear me from the outside. All we do is panic, ruin something manic.
So we do have to write a couple lines, or it can be the same. Running on a nighttime, burning on a bumper.
Nighttime is cool.
Yeah, so it's glowing in the nighttime, secrets on my hard drive. Such a cruel endeavor, if I can't live forever. There it is.
Glowing in the nighttime, secrets on my hard drive. Such a cool endeavor, if I can live forever. I wanna die a wizard.
Like there or something,
Yeah.
right?
I do think this little break idea is cool.
Yeah.
But I think what we put in the break area is going to be what kind of maybe makes it a moment.
I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard. Yeah. I wanna die. I wanna die.
Ooh, what do you think? Ooh, ah.
I think try them all.
Okay.
The only one I dislike is yeah
Dude,
or yeah.
I like yeahs, but only when they're like, yeah, you know,
Yeah.
like that.
That would be cooler.
What if there was a yeah, like I'm standing in the back of the room doing it. Yeah!
Yeah, we got to see if we could just like blast it with
Yeah,
something.
please.
Wizard.
That's good, yeah.
Oh, that was 100% wet reverb.
Whatever you think.
Were you thinking harmonies for
Yeah,
stuff?
I could definitely pump some pretty
Okay.
quickly if you want them.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hiding from the daylight, hear me from the outside. All we do is panic, ruin something manic. I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard.
Post chorus, that's a little more flashy. Whether it's the exit for a song or the intro for a song or whatever.
And post chorus as in after this part.
Yeah, like just like an
Okay.
instrumental break.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
maybe like a couple vocal throws or something, but like maybe more twinkly stuff and
Yeah, I think
that's bass for sure.
I think we just mute right here
Okay.
completely. Maybe just like
I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard. I wanna.
that could get somewhere.
Yeah, I'm trusting you. Whatever
Like,
you think.
I'm just hearing, I don't know if you're hearing this yet,
Uh-huh.
but if that was just like a big kind of minimal hard kind of drop.
Yeah.
So I want to hear if 4 on the floor is going to be the rhythm or something else.
You should throw one of those triplets in there, like gung, 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 gung.
Oh, yeah.
Like kind of like a breakdown.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wizard. I wanna die. Wizard. Wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die.
That's kind of sick. And let's find some crazy serum bass to use instead.
Is that where you run to when you're just looking for
Yeah, when
something
I
different?
want some like noisy, just like massive, huge bass, I will just like go on Splice for them.
That's what I do too. You pull in a preset, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they have, you know, presets now for Serum too. And if you, like, most of my things are going to be like crazy basses.
Wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard. Wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard.
I'm hearing also some kind of crazy clap or something, but
Okay.
I've got an idea.
Wizard.
That's what I was thinking.
That's cool.
I wanna die. I wanna
I like the Reese, but could we try like a bum, bum?
wanna die a wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard.
Yeah, that one sits a lot better.
I wanna die a wizard.
Oh, yeah, tight.
Yeah, that's cool.
I do hear it, like the word wizard. What has to happen there is like magical, which is kind of stupid to say, but like if there was a twinkly guy on top that was like ling 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 ling, like a synthy guy, that's super sparkly. I think that actually would do it.
Wizard. I wanna die. I wanna die. I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die.
And I think I can make it pluckier.
Just think about a wizard like using a wand.
Wizard, I wanna die, I wanna die, I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die, I wanna
All right, you want to try that just right on top of that other guy?
wizard. I wanna die, I wanna die, I wanna die a wizard. I wanna die, I wanna die, I wanna die a wizard.
All right, so that's the track. We're gonna do a whole playthrough, but everybody say thank you, JV, for being on the channel. Thank you, JV, for being on the channel. We made something sick.
Applause.
So as always, we have to edit things. We got to tune things. You're probably gonna cook it up a little bit. Maybe send it back to me.
Yep.
I'll bug you a bunch of times whenever I need to use RC20,
Yep, you got it, you got it.
and then we'll freaking get it.
Sick, man. Thank
Dude.
you for having me. I haven't done something like this, but it's perfect timing also because we're both working on our album.
And you're free to take on other artists and stuff too, right?
Yes, I am.
Cool. His email will
hit
be in
me
the
up.
description, so reach out.
Hiding from the daylight, hear me from the outside. All we do is panic, brewing something manic, glowing in the nighttime. Secrets on my hard drive, such a cruel endeavor. If I can live forever, I wanna die away.